from the here. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Dinesh. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, Dinesh, tell me your roles and responsibilities of your current and previous projects.
Yeah, actually, I have to, you want me to tell about myself or only roles and responsibilities?
Only roles and responsibilities of your
Yeah,
projects.
actually, yeah. My date starts with, defect tracking and how many defects are fixed. I need to check every day those things. And then I will trigger the latest bill. Then I will go to find out the automation test failures from the nightly test execution report. Then I will send the emails to respective QA teams if any tests or some issues are report to defect and any assigned to respective developers. And then I will look up for user stories for in Jira I will check my user stories. Based on that, I will write my feature scenarios from them, and then I will write and execute the test plan, and then I will discuss with the new defects with the developer, and then write automation. Then I will write automation test scripts and perform manual and automate based on that, and then I will report any new defects, and then we will do push the new test scripts to the repository, and then we will use the CI tools to run the build jobs, and then like that we will coordinate with onshore team and design the frameworks like that we will do. Yeah. And my project is GOTD. Actually, this one is global order to delivery. This one, it is an international project. It contains multiple markets like US, China, Canada, and Mexico. Here, actually, we have dealers will use the ordering to delivery system to place their orders as requested by the customers. We have few functionalities like placing an order and amending an order, like updating an order and doing change owner for any order. If you want to change the owner, we can do, and then we will give contracting to an order, and then canceling any order, and then we have few web service like that. This is all about daily, day-to-day responsibilities in my project.
Okay. So, Dinesh, do you have experience on BDD framework?
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Okay, can you please share your experience on that?
Yeah, actually, BDD it's import the acceptance scenarios with the development in. We will do implement the important acceptance scenarios while in development in progress. For developing BDD, I use the Cucumber testing tool with the support of BDD. Cucumber, it has a, once in Maven build automation tool used to primary for Java projects. It's provide the common platform to perform activities like generating the source code, compiling the code, and packaging the code to jars like that. And then later, if any of the software versions are get changed, Maven is an easy way to modify a project accordingly. And all corresponding jars related to Cucumber, Gherkin is added in the pom.xml as a dependency. This Cucumber will allows automation functional validation that is easily read to understand by non-technical people also. This is the beauty of Cucumber, BTD Cucumber. In this one we have behavior. In this one we have, so in the beginning, developers and project managers, QAs, user acceptance testers, and the product owners all get together and uh, all get together and brainstorm about the which scenario should be passed in order to call the software successful, like that we will discuss. And then we have Cucumber is the code written in plain English text in a feature file. We have a feature file. In that one there are no logic details written in the feature file. High level user stories and functionalities are written, and then we will use keywords like a given, when, then, and but. Scenario is one of the core Gherkin structures. Details about the scenario under the test needs to be captured after the keyword. Each feature can have one or more scenarios, and every scenario consists of one or more steps. Yeah, like that we have, and then we have background. Set these statements in the feature file. It has the instruction on what to set up before each scenario, like that. And then we have common steps in a scenario, and we have step definition in which we have got our feature file ready with the test scenario
Okay.
is different. Yeah, like that we will implement BDD.
Okay,
And then
fine.
we have test runner also.
Mm-hmm. Fine.
These are, yeah.
So, do you have a CI/CD experience?
Which one? Yeah, yeah, I have continue. Yeah, I have. Yeah,
Okay, fine. So, Dinesh, I'm going to ask a few questions regarding your technical skills. Okay.
yeah,
So, by the way, in which Selenium version are you currently working with?
yeah. I'm using 3.0.
Okay.
3.
So, what are the new features in Selenium 3.0 then compared to Selenium 2.0?
Yeah, in 3.0, if you talk about new means, uh, before, I mean, yeah, I'm using this. Maybe we have, we can, I can say that, I mean, we have, it will, I mean, I cannot say exactly what is the new features they added in
Okay.
3.0,
Okay.
but I mean, I have very good knowledge. Yeah.
Okay. So, what are the technical challenges you face with Selenium?
Yeah, while using Selenium, we have challenges like mainly we are facing challenges with synchronization issues, and then finding the web element issues, and then we have like while doing the testing, we have like I mean we have pop-up windows, pop-up when a simple we have issue with pop-up window when a simple format and containing confirmation alert, and then we have dynamic content. And then we have while doing mobile we have some it is limited to reporting actually in Selenium. And then we have like these are the main challenges in Selenium, yeah, while doing these tests.
Okay. So, we have different automation tools in the market, right? So, why
Yes.
testers should choose Selenium and not for QTP?
Yeah, actually, this one is open source actually, and then it is easy. I mean, everyone is using Selenium. It is easy. I mean, it's open source and freeware actually. You can download the Java from any. I mean, from any common these things. And then we have it will support variety of languages like Java, Perl, and C Sharp, Ruby, Groovy, so many things. And we have it will supports many operating systems like Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac. And then Selenium also it will supports many browsers like IE, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and then it will we can integrate with any of tools like Maven, and like that we have so many advantages.
Okay.
Even though, I mean, with QTP has more. I mean that what QTP is. I mean, it's we need to pay more amount to purchase QTP licenses. So this one is easy to use. Yeah.
Okay. So, Dinesh, what type of test have you automated?
Yeah, I have automated UA. I mean functionalities, UA automation mainly, login screens, and I mean any functionality related to UA actually.
Okay. So, how many test cases have you automated per day?
Yeah, generally it depends on the user stories. We will write the test cases, and then based on the, I mean, we will check which one we need to do the automation, which one we will use so frequently for regression. So based on that, we will go for the automation. Generally, I mean, if it is based on the complexity, it will depend how many test scripts we will write, develop actually. It will depends on the complexity. If it is a easy, we can develop 5 to 8 like that. Yeah.
Okay. So Dinesh, when do we use Selenium Grid?
Yeah, actually, Selenium Grid. When we do Selenium Grid, actually, if you want to do this thing, I mean, we need to do any parallel testing. That time we will go with the Selenium Grid. Here we have actually hub and we have hub and nodes architecture. Here we will the hub is a central point where we can load your test suits. Actually, there should we will have only one hub in a grid. Actually, the hub is launched in a single mission, say a computer whose voice, I mean, we can grid in one mission, and then we can create nodes, whatever we want. Nodes are the Selenium instances, actually, that will execute the tests that you load onto the hub. Actually, there can be one or more nodes in a grid. Actually, nodes can be launched on multiple with different platforms and browsers. Then the machines running on multiple machines with different platforms, we can do like that. We can use Selenium Grid, actually.
Okay. So Dinesh, what is the use of XPath?
Yeah, we can by locating the web element, we will use export, actually. We have
Okay.
different
Dinesh,
locators, actually, but generally we will
okay,
use export
super
for, I mean, it is a common format used for the
huh?
locating the web element.
Okay. So how can we launch different browsers?
Different browsers in Selenium, you want to say?
Yes.
Yeah, we have, I mean, different drivers for each. Each one we have Chrome web driver, and for IE we have IE web driver, and for Firefox we have Gecko web driver. Like that, different web drivers we have. Yeah,
Okay, final question, Dinesh.
yeah.
So can we test APIs or web services using Selenium WebDriver?
Yeah, actually, we need to import the RESTful web libraries into IDE. Then we can automate APIs. We need separate RESTful libraries. We need to import those jobs into IDE. Then we can automate. Yeah.
Okay, fine, Dinesh. It's nice talking to you. Thanks for your
Yeah.
time.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've
Thank you.
written on the synopsis and it will be sent to the client. Your recruiter
Yeah.
will get
Sure.
back with the further interview time steps.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.